Is Bitcoin on the verge of a major price plunge, or is this merely the calm before the storm?
With fluctuating economic indicators, traders are on edge, and the implications for cryptocurrency holders could be profound.
Welcome to Financial Insights in Minutes, your go-to channel for quick, impactful summaries of cryptocurrency videos. Today, we'll summarize the latest analyses from top channels on Bitcoin, altcoins, and overall market volatility.
So let's dive into today's Bitcoin discussions.
First up, let's explore insights from CryptoZeros, focusing on the current state of Bitcoin as it experiences a calm before what could be a significant market movement.
Indeed, we'll discuss how recent market trends and economic forecasts may set the stage for Bitcoin's next big shift. Stick with us till the end, as we'll explore the implications.
So, what's the critical takeaway from this discussion on Bitcoin?
The main thesis is that Bitcoin is in a precarious state. Fluctuating economic indicators, such as inflation data and stock market behavior, could lead to significant price shifts for Bitcoin.
Let's delve deeper into inflation. What's on the horizon?
The forthcoming inflation data is expected to stir excitement, with traders speculating wildly. If inflation drops significantly, expect Bitcoin's price to mirror that change.
Everything seems interconnected with the behavior of broader markets, right?
Absolutely. Rising anxiety in stock markets can lead to increased volatility in Bitcoin. It's all very much a ripple effect.
How are Bitcoin ETFs influencing the current market?
ETFs are game changers. With large inflows and outflows significantly impacting Bitcoin's price, they can lead to thrilling shifts in the market. It's all intricately linked.
What do experts predict for long-term Bitcoin pricing?
Predictions are fascinating. A worst-case scenario could position Bitcoin around $258,000 by the year 2030, but optimistic estimates soar to $1.5 million. Quite a roller coaster ahead.
So what comes next for Bitcoin? Any daring forecasts?
Hang on tight. Bitcoin's price could swing dramatically with incoming reports. Investors are holding their breath, waiting to see how they might react.
To wrap up, what should viewers take from this discussion?
The primary focus should be on staying informed. As Bitcoin navigates these uncertain waters, understanding the market's pulse is vital for smarter investment decisions.
As we say goodbye, we want your thoughts. What will happen with Bitcoin in the coming days?
Let us know in the comments below. Your opinions could ignite the next discussion on Bitcoin's fate.
Next, we turn to Altcoin Daily for a pulse check on the question: will most cryptocurrency holders survive until 2025?
The conversation centers on the current dip in Bitcoin prices and what implications it holds for the broader cryptocurrency market. Stay tuned as we unpack the bullish sentiments many are starting to harbor.
So what's the essence of this crypto forecast?
The key thesis is quite compelling. Despite Bitcoin dipping below $60,000, analysts broadly predict a bullish recovery ahead. Various factors, including historical patterns, suggest optimism for investors.
Let's examine the current state of Bitcoin. What events have transpired?
Bitcoin has faced a significant decline, recently dropping below $60,000, which has unsettled many investors. This scenario is reminiscent of classic market panic.
What does history tell us about comparable situations?
History often suggests that market dips present ideal buying opportunities. Previous instances show Bitcoin usually rebounds with remarkable gains.
And what's in store for altcoins soon?
We're on the brink of a massive altcoin cycle. Expectations are high that altcoins, especially Ethereum, may outperform Bitcoin in just a few months.
What predictions are surfacing for Bitcoin's trajectory?
A solid recovery seems possible if Bitcoin nudges back up to $55,000. Historical patterns indicate good returns are on the horizon.
And how do the long-term prospects for altcoins look?
We anticipate a significant altcoin boom by 2025, especially if Bitcoin surges past $70,000. New retail investors are likely to flood into the altcoin market.
As we conclude, what are the key takeaways?
Current buyers may be facing historic opportunities amid this volatility. Both Bitcoin and altcoins are paving the way for substantial growth moving forward.
We want to know your thoughts. Are you taking the plunge or playing it safe?
Join the conversation in the comments. Let's navigate these waters together.
Now, let's look at insights from Coin Bureau about Bitcoin miners. Are they selling their holdings or facing financial strain?
Absolutely. We're diving into the complex dynamics of Bitcoin mining and its economic implications. Stay tuned to uncover what's truly at stake for miners and Bitcoin's future.
So what's the central issue? Are miners really in a stressful position?
The main thesis is clear. While many miners are offloading Bitcoin, they are doing so for strategic reasons, including managing operational costs and positioning themselves for future prospects.
Let's clarify the basics of mining. What's happening here?
Bitcoin mining serves as the foundation for its network security through proof of work. The block rewards have halved multiple times since 2009, now standing at just above 3 Bitcoin.
How does Bitcoin's halving affect miners?
Halving reduces the block rewards, significantly impacting miner revenue during times when operational costs remain high. Many miners are struggling to maintain profitability.
How has the market reacted recently?
Miners selling their BTC holdings have kept Bitcoin prices stagnant. The relationship between miner activities and price movements is more intricate than initially believed.
In terms of the future for miners, what should we foresee?
New ASIC models might enhance efficiency. Several miners are exploring AI opportunities for better returns.
Looking forward, what predictions surround miners' prospects?
Heightened costs could eliminate marginal miners. Without an increase in Bitcoin prices, many could face closure, thereby impacting network security.
What about the stability of mining firms?
Leading miners remain undeterred. They are heavily investing in expansion, reflecting confidence in Bitcoin's long-term value.
As we wrap up, what crucial insights should viewers take away?
Although many are selling, it signifies strategic adjustments rather than panic. The future still glimmers for miners willing to adapt.
We want to hear your take. What do you think? Is Bitcoin mining heading for rough seas, or can it navigate these storms?
Drop your thoughts in the comments below. It's a subject we always love to delve into.
Hey crypto enthusiasts, let's dive into today's live stream featuring substantial economic updates. Are we on the brink of an economic breakthrough?
Indeed. Today's discussion encompasses thrilling economic data along with Bitcoin and altcoin updates that you won't want to miss.
So, what's the bottom line today?
The key takeaway indicates that the U.S. economy is exhibiting unexpected strength, highlighted by GDP growth surpassing expectations at 3%.
Let's examine some critical insights. First, how did the Q2 GDP results fare?
Absolutely. GDP growth soared to 3%, shattering expectations. It's hard to believe doom is imminent when the economy is propelled upward.
What about consumer sentiment?
Consumer spending appears robust. The increase to 2.9% contradicts claims of widespread financial distress.
What insights can we draw from the job market?
Initial jobless claims fall below 5,000, a positive indication. Even accounting for some job revisions, we're witnessing a net gain.
What future predictions loom regarding the stock market?
Historically, rate cuts spur strong stock rebounds. If cuts occur amidst a non-recession climate, markets could receive a significant boost.
And how does Bitcoin fit into this narrative?
As equity markets trend upward, Bitcoin typically follows suit. Stabilizing conditions might just propel Bitcoin into high gear.
To consolidate today's insights, what's the ultimate verdict?
The American economy exhibits clear resilience, notwithstanding the challenges ahead. It's an exhilarating time for both stocks and crypto, yet vigilance remains key.
We want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on today's economic developments?
Drop your comments below. This is your moment to express your insights and predictions.
Finally, let's tune into Benjamin Cowan for a speculative exploration into Bitcoin and its market trajectory. Are we on the brink of a repeat of the infamous 2019 scenario?
Absolutely. Delving into Bitcoin's past and present could yield staggering insights about its future in the cryptocurrency landscape.
So what's the crux of today's speculation?
The core thesis proposes that Bitcoin might replicate its 2019 market behavior, enduring similar hurdles and rallies throughout this turbulent period.
To unpack this concept, what speculative trends are we observing?
Currently, Bitcoin's movements bear a striking resemblance to trends seen in 2019, where market sentiment greatly influenced market shifts. If the consensus leans toward a downturn, could a rally be on the horizon?
What role does gold play in the crypto conversation?
Excellent question. Gold historically signals shifts in investment sentiment, often marking mid-cycle tops for Bitcoin and echoing risk levels within the broader crypto market.
And how do interest rates fit into our current context?
Interest rates are pivotal. Bitcoin's prolonged downtrend may persist until significant cuts are enforced, akin to previous cycles where price rallies followed cuts.
What prognostications do we have for Bitcoin moving forward?
Market behaviors may shift following rate cuts, yet historical data suggests we might brace ourselves for extensive corrections before any positive movements can take center stage.
What are our expectations surrounding monetary policy alterations?
The landscape of monetary policy will prove crucial for Bitcoin's recovery, but patience is advised as timelines for recovery remain uncertain.
As we close, what final insights should viewers take home?
In conclusion, Bitcoin continues to embody a speculative asset, navigating between historical patterns, financial metrics, and market perceptions. Keep your eyes peeled.
Lastly, how do you think these impending trends will play out? Drop your thoughts below.
Yeah, let's get a conversation going. Your opinions could help others navigate these interesting waters.
In today's analysis, we explored various expert opinions on what lies ahead for Bitcoin and the crypto landscape.
While there's broad concern about Bitcoin's immediate future, the long-term prospects remain a point of debate.
Next, we'll be analyzing the potential resurrection of altcoins, guided by historical patterns.
Don't forget to like and subscribe as we continue to navigate these market intricacies.
Remember to like and thanks for watching Financial Insights in Minutes for August 30th, 2024. If you found this time-saving content useful and want to support the channel, please remember to like and subscribe. If you have ideas for more channels you'd like to see summarized, drop a comment below. See you next time.